What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk a little bit about Microsoft Bing's new search engine. I've had the opportunity to use the new search engine for about a week or two now, and I gotta tell you, I'm a little bit excited. Microsoft has been making these huge strides in the last few years with their search capabilities and the latest updates. It's a game changer, and it's something I really want to talk about, so let's dive in. So here we go. So first thing that we're going to discuss is just the new visuals here, right? So your layout itself is completely different compared to your Google Chrome. It's clean, it's elegant, and there's a couple features that I kind of want to go over before we even touch the AI part of it. Just to show you a little bit about Edge and maybe why you may want to switch over from Google Chrome over to Edge here or to Bing. On the top left, you have your app launcher. Here is just these circles. You're just going to go ahead and click on these dots here. What this opens up is your application. So most of your pinned applications are already there, and it's your Office suite. I am a huge user of Microsoft 365 and their suite. I use everything from Outlook to OneDrive for my sharing files, Outlook for communication, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. I use it all. So to be able to have the web-based versions right here at a single click, it's pretty cool because it's gonna save me time. Not only can I just access the web access, I don't have to download the applications or run the applications, slow things down, wait for things to open. It's there, it's on the web, it's saved to OneDrive, I can access it anywhere. I like that feature here. We can go into all apps, so we'll discuss it another time. Another feature right here, actually this isn't quite a feature as it just helps you download the application if you don't have the app on your mobile phone. I would suggest downloading it and playing around with it. It's a cool application to use, and just switch over from whatever you're using currently, either if it's Safari on iOS or Google on Android or Google on iOS, whatever it may be. Switch it to this new Bing and join the waiting list and get approved. Once you do, you can utilize the functions like I did the other day when I was in downtown Orlando. I was able to basically use my phone with the new Bing, talking to the chat feature, just speaking to it and communicating it, asking for different things around downtown Orlando. I wish I recorded it just to be able to show you, but I didn't. So this is just giving you the QR code to be able to download the actual application on your phone, which I would suggest you go ahead and do and play around with. One of my favorite little features that I tell everybody about, it's stupid, but I just think it's pretty cool, is these Microsoft rewards. So I learned about this Microsoft rewards watching another YouTube video somewhere, and what grabbed my attention is that I can turn these rewards into gift cards, to physical gift cards that I can actually use to purchase physical products. Why the heck not? And then I started looking into it, and I just saw, the things to earn points are pretty cool, and it's engaging to the customer or to the client or to the user, I should say. Some of the things are, watching trailers. It redirects you over to a place to watching trailers. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead, open this. It's gonna redirect us to MSN Movies, of course, keeping it in-house. Pretty smart, Microsoft. And it's gonna tell us to watch some of these trailers here. And if you go ahead and watch a trailer, let that go. I thought that. I mute that, and you're gonna see. Okay, the Little Mermaid Stark. Not sure how I feel about it. Just joking. Is it even out yet? Do I have to watch the whole trailer in order to get the points? I'm not sure, but let's... Can I skip it? Watch that whole trailer. Oh, I guess I did get the points because I'm now at 500. That's pretty cool. So it gives you points. You can turn those points into gift cards. I haven't done that yet, but once I'm ready and once I gained enough points, then I'll show you all of that. Show you what that process is like. Then a little cool though. It's just a cool little way to get you engaged into Microsoft's other products. That's all it really is. But screw it, I like free stuff. Then you got your notifications on your right hand side, which is tied basically to I guess down here. I don't really care for any of that. Then you have your icon, your gear icon. This is where you can change your background of your search engine and your theme. You can change all of that now. What I am going to go ahead and do just to show you, I want to go ahead and change my background. I am into space, so I like space themes. Or look at that eclipse, that was cool, but I actually really do like this. It's almost a live video, and it will play on the background here. Go ahead and apply it. Can I select it? Yeah. There it is. I'm not sure why it did that before. It automatically changed the back screen, but tell me what you think of that. Fire, right? Just saying. But here's another thing that I wanted to bring up, because throughout my years, you notice that when you're using Google Chrome and you have multiple tabs open, you can see that it chews up a lot of your resources. One thing that I noticed with Edge, even throughout the years, is never done that, and Google Chrome will eat up your resources depending on how many extensions you have, how many bookmarks, how much data you're putting into it. It's gonna eat up the resources, and it usually eats up a lot of your memory. One thing that I noticed about Microsoft Edge is it doesn't do that. It stays steady throughout utilizing it. It doesn't spike, it doesn't go up and down, it doesn't hang like Microsoft or Google Chrome does up here. It's always at the top. You see, Edge stays consistent. This is why this is going to be a game changer to net admins or system admins or users in general. People are going to start creating group policies to disable Google Chrome and only use Edge, which is awesome because it can integrate into a lot of the tools that you use within the office anyways, with your Microsoft Office suite, Azure, all of that, which I really, really like. That's one thing that nobody really talks about, is how much of the resources is eaten when Edge is being used or this new Bing is being used, since Bing is now running on an AI language, right, or AI platform. AI is very GPU heavy. So how is that running in the background? I don't know. It's not eating my computer, so I'm okay with that. This sidebar is another cool feature that I really like. I'm gonna make another whole video on just this itself because there's just so much to it. But just to give you a little idea, you can add these tools and little icons or applications to the widget, and I'm just gonna give you an example of how you could use them. So the Outlook widget, this is my email. If let's say I am a rewards member with HomeDepot.com and I am shopping online on Home Depot's website, I will get an alert letting me know that there's an email with a promotional code, a gift certificate, discount code, whatever it is. I'll get an alert through Bing itself as I'm shopping, and I don't even need to go in my email to search for these codes. How's that help me? Most of us, we really just delete or mark them as junk mail, spam, all of those emails, right? This is going to give us the ability to not have to do that, or go through those emails prior to us doing that and telling us, hey, you do have a coupon in here, you want to use it with this, save yourself some money. Why the heck not utilize that feature? It's a pretty cool feature to have. But just wanted to give you an idea of what you can use these tools for. Even this shopping one, this one will give you like coupon codes and things like that as well. Now, if you continue down here, here's going to be your feed. It's basically just your top stories, just redirects to other websites. Here, inspired by your shopping interests, any accounts that I've visited or any shopping that I've done within Amazon. This is basically Best Buy, Amazon. Whatever I've been shopping for or whatever I've been searching for, saved, of course. It will show up here. It's just inspired by the things that I've already browsed at. Everybody does it. Don't be freaked out. So here's the moment that we all been waiting for, is the actual search feature. The actual search the web feature, where it is said to be integrated with GPT-4, the GPT-4 language model, and how much bigger it is than the ChatGPT original 3.5 model. By 100 times. That's how much more data is behind this language model, this artificial intelligence that's built on this new Bing. It's going to be the same as everything before. You're going to utilize it. There's nothing real different on how to use it, but it's just the output that you're giving. You're just giving more, and let me show you. So let's say I want to talk about war in Ukraine. Let's just skip directly to that. It is going to show me the war in Ukraine just like normal, correct? It's going to show me, what it would normally look like, just if I was searching in Google Chrome or in the old Microsoft Edge or Bing. But it gives you the same information. You got your different URLs that you can go ahead and browse to look for that information that you're looking for. Or you can slide over here to this little section here, and they're just called chat. Oh, now it's opening up the new Bing. Let's just read what it's saying. Welcome to the new Bing, your AI-powered co-pilot for the web. Here you can ask complex questions, get better answers, and get creative inspirations. This is basically what GPT-4 is going to do for you compared to the GPT 3.5 and the old or the free version of ChatGPT, or the old original version of ChatGPT when it first dropped. Now, the creativeness, the more balanced and the more precise, these features here are something new that you don't see in ChatGPT. You actually have to talk to ChatGPT and tell it to be more creative and more precise in the tone of its voice or in the tone of how it's communicating. Here you can just select it, I guess, going back and forth, getting more creative or more precise. I'm going to stick to balance just for this demonstration purposes. So what type of things can you ask it? Anything. Just say I need a new belt. Where can I get a belt near me? Let's see if it recognizes where I am, what output it gives me. I don't need a new belt, I promise you. That's pretty cool. So it's actually giving me direct places. I found some stores that sell belts near you. Here are some of them. And it also gives me Amazon, which is another option for me, right? I hope this helps. That's cool. What other things can I give me? A recipe for gluten-free pizza. Pizza. Here you go. It's going to give you a direct answer, and it's going to give you some URLs for references, which is pretty cool. Then it's also going to give you suggestions of other questions you can ask during this conversation. What are some gluten-free pizza toppings? How long does it take to make the pizza? What is the nutritional value of the pizza? Let's just see. Here is a recipe for gluten-free pizza. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, taste with sugar, active dry yeast, gluten-free flour blend, teaspoon of salt. I got all this stuff. I'm getting a little hungry. Y'all think I'm joking. I use AI like you don't even know. Oh, just wanted to show you. I'm not joking. I'm saving that. I am going to make this pizza later. Right. But that's pretty cool, right? So it gives you a direct answer, and it also gives you suggestions and other questions that you might not even know to ask. And it's telling you I'm gonna make a gluten-free dough, but I'm gonna put all this crap on it that's not gluten-free. Hey, there's a question right there. What are some gluten-free pizza toppings? Great question. Let's figure it out. Oh man, this is giving you the type of pizza that is gluten-free. Phenomenal. It does help. Bing, it does. Okay, I do like this. See, here we go. What is and then I can go in on this. I mean, I can also manually ask it, but it also gives those suggestions, which is really nice. It's a nice feature. It's not really nice. It's a nice feature to have. Okay, now let's go back to your search, right? Let's just start over, because there's a couple other things that I wanted to show you. But let's go to a new tab, completely new tab, like if we're just getting into here. One of the abilities of GPT-4 is the ability to be able to take an image and output text based off of that image. What does that mean? That it can describe an image to you and output it back to you in text. I will input an image, it describes it back in text. This is something I haven't really tested, but we're gonna go ahead and play around with right now, because you can actually go right ahead here, search by image. It's all built into this bar here. I can just talk to it like I told you before, which I did with the application. I can actually sit here and actually tell it to do something, which I'm not going to do that in this video. Or I can go ahead and take a image. So I'm going to go ahead and just try a sample to just try it. Or I can take a photo. This is if I'm on the road, I'm on my phone. I can take a photo of something and I say, hey, find me this. It will look for it for you. So where is this? I see this. Oh, what is this? And it's going to give me that information. Click here to select part of this image to search for it. So I want to select just this part. So it's telling me what this is. It's the Museo de la Vera, whatever the craft that is. It looks dope in itself, but how about if I want to just change? And here it is. This is all live. I'm not clicking enter. I'm not doing anything. I'm just dragging and let it go. And it's already seeing that image and telling me what it is. It's describing it for me. Oh, here we go. That's where that painting is. The name of the painting is blanking my mind. It's embarrassing. But pretty dope. What else can it do for you? That's it. Looks like related content. Looks like Mona Lisa. But what do you think about this feature? Tell me that this isn't pretty dope. So say there's a picture out there. Let's just go back. Let's just take a look at something. Let's try. I want to search celebrities. All right. You know what? Let me see something. I got a better idea. Let me go on my computer. I'm going to find an image. Here we go. This is me at the beach, right? Look, I'm just dragging. This is my wife. We went fishing on Cocoa Beach or Melbourne Beach in Florida. I'm just gonna click and drag from my File Explorer over to Edge, and it's doing a visual search, right? Usually when I go fishing, my wife always takes my rod and reel. I never get it back. Okay, let's just see how accurate it is. I want to just search, sorry baby, just search for that rod and reel. Live, mind you. You saw how instant that was. I can't say enough. Okay, then now let's just search for her, and it picks out all the other ladies in bikinis with fishing rods besides this lady and a dog. And this guy with a squirt gun, I think. Yeah. But pretty cool. But how about if I just wanted so let's say I'm looking for content or media or whatever it may be on a certain theme. Like I need sunsets and I need images of fishing rods on the beach at sunset. I can utilize this to be able to get more of that, or anything in general, you know? How about if I just wanted kissy face, wife with glasses, let's see, at the beach. This is fantastic. The tools that Microsoft has given us is just fantastic. It's going to give you the ability to do more with less time, which who doesn't love that? So let's get out of here. I just wanted to show you, this actual search feature, show you how to get back to the chat if you wanted to chat with ChatGPT. With the new Microsoft Bing. I hope you really enjoyed the video and got a better understanding of what the new Microsoft Bing has to offer and all the cool tools that we can use. I'm still going to be testing this out for another few weeks. I will think about transitioning everything over, as long as all my extensions and everything that I utilize in Google will work on Bing as well. I just want to see if it's something that I can transition my company over to completely and remove Google Chrome, just because of all the resource hogging and the vulnerabilities that it has all the time, and use something that is fully integrated with how we run the business anyways. We're a fully Microsoft 365 Azure environment. Why not integrate this into our everyday tasks? It's just an option that you're gonna have out there for you. Let me know what you guys think of the features and what you think of the video. Please like and subscribe. It's always appreciated. And until the next one, I appreciate you all.